Hello everyone. So today we will be solving our last problem in array section, which is longest consecutive sequence. Okay. Given an array of integer nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence of elements that can be formed. A consecutive sequence is a sequence of elements in which each element is exactly one greater than the previous element. The element do not have to be consecutive in the original array. You must write an algorithm that runs in big O of n time. So before writing the code, let me explain what the description actually says. So here we have an array. We have to return the longest consecutive sequence. What is longest consecutive sequence? A sequence where difference between two numbers is always 1. Okay, so here in this we have 2 and 3. Difference is 1. So we'll group them. So 2, 3. After 3 we have 4. So 4. Difference is also 1. Now 4 and 5, difference is also 1. So after 5 we don't have 6. So we'll stop the grouping here. So the next group we have like 10 and 20, which is single group. We can't consider 2 and 20 as a consecutive sequence because the difference between them is 18. But we need the difference between them as 1 to be consecutive sequence. So that's the whole point. So now let's start coding. So here we will be using HashSet because there are multiple 4s. They may be duplicate numbers, but we need to consider them only once. So HashSet integer set equal to new HashSet integer nums. Okay, I am populating the arrays here only, so by default it will populate the HashSet. Now I'll have an max. Okay, by default it will be 1 because a number is a consecutive sequence of itself, like 1. Okay, now for each I nums if set dot contains I minus 1. Why I minus 1? Because okay, so if doesn't contain I minus 1, this condition tells that this is the smallest number in the sequence. Okay, if this is the smallest number in the sequence, we have to go one by one, like smallest to longest. We can do the vice versa way also, but this is the best way to do. This is not the best way. I feel it as more like doable thing. So integer current num equal to I. Okay, then integer count equal to 1 while set dot contains current number plus 1 with count plus plus current number plus plus. That's it. And then we'll do max equal to math dot max comma count. Return max. That's it. Okay, this is some edge condition. If nums dot length equal to 0, return 0. That's it. Yes, now let us trace this code. We will take a different example, not this one. So here we have another example. So this is the input, and the first thing we are doing is populating the HashSet with this array. So this is the HashSet. Consider this. So 0, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 1. This one we won't insert because you already have a 1 here. Okay, now we have a max value. Now we'll iterate each and every numbers in the array. So, and we will check if I minus 1, so 0 we have. So 0 minus 1, minus 1. Does it contains in this set? No, we don't have. So hence this is proof that 0 is the smallest number of one group. So here if you consider 2 minus 1 we don't have here. So 2 is the smallest number of this group, so we'll start from 2. So we'll start from 0. So current number equal to 0, integer count equal to 1, which is yes. So this is count 1 and current number equal to 0. Okay, now we take another color. Set dot contains 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, which is 1. Is it there in the set? Yes. So if it's there, we'll increase the count by 1, and the current number by 1. Okay. Now again the same loop continues. Current number 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Is it there in this set? Yes, 2 is there. So we'll increase the count by 1 more, and we'll change this number to 2, which is this one. Then again 2 plus 1 is there in the array. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, it is there in this set. So again we'll increase the count and we'll do this. Okay. Again 3 plus 1 is there in this one. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is 2, my bad. 3 plus 1 is 4, which is there in this set. Again increase count, you increase. This one you do 4. Yes, 4. Now 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, 5 is there. Do this 5 and increase count by 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is there. Yes, 6 is there. And increase the count. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7. It is not there in this set. So hence we'll return it. We'll do max equal to, which is maximum, 1, or count 5 plus 2, 7. Which is maximum? 7. So hence again we'll iterate the for loop if there is any other number which is the smallest of any group that it forms. So hence we don't have any other number. We'll return the max, which is 7. So hence the 7 will be returned as the answer, which is here. That's it. If you guys have any doubt or any other you need code in any other languages, then just drop it in comment section. I will do video for that also. Thank you.